Oh, we're doing that. Sean using only for like
Using controller.
I know.
Oh, okay. Yes, nice. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Yes! 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 On goal! Oh, yeah. Din chia sweaty. I didn't push him over when you got. Options. Can we click options?
Which option?
And again. Sean, you have to tackle him.
No.
Defensive.
You can just be.
I don't
Oh, yeah. Yes. Oh, yes. Come on. Come on, Noah.
That's because the sun's on telly.
Chevelle, cross.
Yeah.
Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, no, come on. Oh. Oh, okay. Oh, come on, side. Oh, cross. Okay. Layden still. Oh yes, come on. Cross. I didn't need the sweaty, it's just pressure. Yes!
Okej. Nedre där.
Iceland is Croatia did.
Oh yes, no.
And again.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
Oh yes.
Does it?
Just, oh my god, just come on. Yes! Oh yes!
Yeah.
2-0.
Yeah.
Got the guts out or goal?
Yeah.
On basically goal near either.
I can see that basically.
Oh yes. Oh. Sorry. But did you any kick off? I didn't crash.
Biggest thing, yeah. That is the F.
Controls V di squadra wedyn siarad.
Hwn di bwrdd?
I fi, ia? Ni di melyn. Thank you very much.
Mod to be from attack mode or something.
Oh yeah, then you're not Oh yes. Do you need such or smell you when I'm in a hug?
No, it doesn't matter.
It's so easy. Just shiver. Now pass your ball, pass your ball. Oh, just press your ball on. I'll speed ball in then. Hey, come on, ref. Yes, corner. Oh yes, thank you. What a lad, what a lad.
No, you then.
Nah, just keep yeah, glad, yeah.
Oh, wait.
Nah,
Yeah.
Oh yes. Shoot!
I did had risky ar ei bell wan. Kom. Dyna beth sy'n gwneud.
No, score both of them.
I would have scored.
Hey, got the ball.
Need to for myself. Triangle beneath.
Right, boys, please, yeah?
Come on! Whenever KSI and Chris Love gets on the what? It's not for the KSI. Chris Love. What's his name?
Noah.
I'm annoying. We'll go watch it.
Come on, switch. Oh my god. Oh, I'm just been dirty. Red card.
She needs to do yellow card.
Oh, hefyd cafodd fel dau card y melyn. Oh, mae di gael dau card y melyn. Come on, dirty tackle.
Ond mae hynna bach yn ffein.
Noah. Yeah, that's one crap.
I think it's a good one.
Nah, corner.
Yeah, put it in.
Oh, so good. Oh yes.
Safio hwnna. Yndi. Acting check. In mama check.
Dwi'n just neud dim bach.
Ie, dyn nhw'n dda. Mae check yn dda. Yes. Mae mon ffôn.
Dwi, mom! Mom! Cross! Yes! O, ti a cael nanny hat-trick.
Mae Nani yn fel...
We're actually gweithio, dwi'n defence yn wal i'r attack. Dwi ddim yn sy'n iawn yn y defence.
Tîm Ericsson yn cael chwarae na Portugal.
Yndi.
Portugal yn tîm gorau.
O, ie. Os Argentina. O, sai.
Dim ond trydydd ydych chi eisiau mynd i weld.
Smell you like
Marcio bo.
Beth da ni'n colli yn gadael yn droed Mae bod yn Sbaen. Wel, hi wedi check yn pobl gwyn. Pethau.
Noa. DK.
Yeah. Is it me? Is that me?
Yeah.
No, that's not me. That's not me.
You're in a box. Yeah, where's it?
Look, it's not me.
Yeah. Oh!
Put it in the box.
Sorry. No. Cristiano. Penalty.
I'm taking it.
Yeah, okay.
It's nice to hear that when I penalty. A free kick and
No. Oh my days. Oh no. I can do. No. Yeah, Miles. Come on, please. Yeah. Wel, dwi wedi chwarae demo 2 waith. Wel, os da ni'n curo 3-0.
Mae'r graphics ar y demo
Ni gyda 3-0 yn y Brwsio. Pa ti wyt ti? Ni curo 3-0 yn Hwngari a oedd o'n chwarae fa. Da ni yn Portugal nesa, so da ni'n y Brwsio. Ond dim yn gwybod os ydych chi games cyn ni. Gan i'n gwybod second half? No, wing. Wing, dwi yn second half. Thank you. Maen nhw jyst yn mynd i chwarae third. No.
Decent from there. No, it's not bad. You got Cristiano Ronaldo. Oh, offside. Hey, come on, offside. Thank you. And again, come on. Oh, sorry. On him ever see ever pale. He's got the ball. It's gone now. They need to get up. Yes.